Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me pleasure on behalf of President Ali to officially launch the Forestry Revolving Fund.
Finance Minister Dr. Ashni Singh officially launched the $900 million revolving fund at the Arthur Chung Convention Center, Liliendal, saying it will create room for a significant increase in production and further build the market. The Memorandum of Understanding for the fund was signed last year between the Ministry of Finance and the Demerara Bank Limited.
We see the forestry sector continuing to play an extremely important role within the context of the sustainable management of Guyana's forest resources for the long term, in the interest of Guyana continuing to make our contribution to the global fight against climate change.
Last October, President Dr. Irfan Ali pledged government's commitment to working with forestry stakeholders. The intent is to increase productivity and foster sustainable forest management practices. The fund indicates government's recognition of the constraints businesses face with accessing financial support to ramp up production. The loans from the fund will be granted with an interest rate of 4%. Dr. Singh warned borrowers that all loans must be paid on time for it to continuously revolve.
And the expectation further is that these loans will be serviced and will be repaid on time so that the fund can revolve.
Dr. Singh also said that this initiative represents an important example of partnering with the private sector. Demerara Bank's Chief Executive Officer, Pravin Chandra Davi, reiterated the support of banks to assist businesses with accessing finance. The injection of finance will act as a catalyst to aid the recovery of the forest sector through investments to facilitate value-added production, increased allowable extraction and recovery rates.
We are not working only for the shareholders or few entrepreneurs or few businessmen. Why I say so? If I give a figure about our lending, %16 of our lending goes to agriculture, 10% to oil and gas, developing sector, 11% to telecommunication, underdeveloping sector. And we in our research have found that 3 sectors are neglected in area of financing: forestry, agriculture and mining. And we are working out the project by which we can help these 3 sectors.
Guyana's forestry subsector provides employment for some 22,000 persons, of which some 4,000 persons are women in communities. Funding for the sector will support small loggers and sawmillers to invest in improved machinery and equipment to increase recovery and the quality of finished forest products. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Lizina Yearwood.